Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. Police style.
As you know, the Royal Kitties were on their way to Adventure Bay.
Where? What do you mean, Ryder?
They're missing.
We're going to need everyone to solve this case.
Chase, you're the police pup, so I need you to lead this operation.
Copy that. Chase is on this ultimate rescue case.
Now I'd like you to give a warm welcome to the newest members of our Kitten Catastrophe crew. Why aren't we going faster? Oh, come on, kiddies. This isn't nap time. You too, Royals. Now shovel.
Pull this train over, Mayor Humdinger.
Fine, I'll do it myself.
That Humdinger won't stop.
I've got an idea. Rocky, Sky, I need you to get to the bottom of the hill as fast as you can. Then, Sky, drop the spike strip from your copter. Rocky, line it across the road. Let's do this!
Here comes the train!
Now, where are our visitors? Elizabeth, Henry! Welcome to our humble town. And thanks again, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you have a problem.
Just yelp for help.
Sea Patroller, here we go! Now, to sail this super ship away! As soon as I can find the start button. Make sure that Robo-Rover stays locked below.
That stowaway is stowed away!
Now, which of these buttons? Shiver me timbers! We're underway!
Any luck finding the Sea Patroller?
Not yet, Ryder. And now I've lost Marshall.
Oh no! Let me try and reach him. Ryder calling Marshall. Where are you? Are you there? No answer. Maybe he can't hear his pup tag.
Oh, this pup tag's perfect for my new treasure chest. Yo ho ho!
Robo-Dog? Yes!
Here's the plan. You hide behind the barrel, then I'll go and get Sid away from the bridge. That's when you sneak up there and take the controls.
Spotted Pup, what are you doing?
Water cannon!
Water!
Having a little trouble turning off my cannon.
Oh, then I'll do it.
It's a Sea Patroller. Now to get back on it. Hold on, it's full speed ahead.
Turn those cannons off! Well, blow me down!
Sid, Swashbuckle, we're taking back our ship.
Ryder, am I happy to see you?
This mission is a strange one. Somehow, Mandy and her monkey friends built a jungle gym and Carlos is trapped inside.
Really? How could monkeys build a gym?
Tracker said they must have used these colourful tools that they found. So for this mission, I'll need Rocky.
Green means go!
And Chase.
Chase is on the case.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Come back. Monkeys don't need pliers. And you too, give me that. Paw Patrol, I'm so glad you're here.
Glad to help, Carlos. We'll get you out in no time. Rocky, take apart the jungle gym.
On it! Screwdriver!
Thanks, Rocky. Ryder?
No problem, Carlos.
Ryder, Carlos!
Have you seen Mandy?
No, why?
That's why!
came from the Paw Patroller. Let's get those tools back before the monkeys do any more damage.
Ruff, megaphone.
Fresh bananas! Come and get them!
Nice teamwork. You're all such good pups.
Thanks, Ryder, Paw Patrol. You've saved the jungle from a mess of monkey mischief.
When monkeys throw a spanner in your jungle, just yelp for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for racing over, pups. Farmer Al, Farmer Yumi, and some tourists are on an out-of-control tour bus with a broken steering wheel.
Oh, my!
Oh, no! So for this mission, I'll need... Rocky. I need you to use your tools to reattach the steering wheel. And Sky. I need you to use your copter to airlift Rocky into the bus through the sunroof.
This puppy's gotta fly!
Look, it's the Paw Patrol!
Ready, Rocky?
Ready. Take me up, Sky.
Hang on!
Thanks, Sky. Ryder, I'm in. Looks like a simple fix. I just need to put the steering wheel back in place and screw it on. Whoa! Bad news, Ryder. The steering wheel's at the bottom of the bay, and I don't see any brakes.
Ryder, the tour bus is headed towards the river!
Ryder, the drawbridge is going up and we can't stop.
Robodog, bring the Paw Patroller to the drawbridge as fast as you can.
Are we gonna block it?
Nope, we're gonna give it a piggyback ride.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for saving us from the wildest tour we've ever taken.
You're welcome. Whenever your tour bus takes a bad turn, just yelp for help.
Careful, cuz. This lens is clear and crackless, so let's keep it that way. But of course, this nice new glass lens will make your lighthouse light so much brighter. Ah! And it also makes these silly, funny faces if you look through it. Let's get this lens loaded. Now, let's get it to the island. Feet, fast! I don't think so. I'll drive super smooth and slow, so my lens stays safe.
Yikes! Those logs are going up in smoke. I better hit the brakes. What? My brake lever's stuck. Now I can't stop. I need help.
Okay, let's put out those smoking logs, but we'll have to stop the train first.
Good plan, Marshall.
Rubble, grab the train with the cyclone. Then we'll stop it using our brakes. I've never caught a train before. Great! Okay, brakes! Now let's hose them down. Or water cannon cart.
Nice save, Paw Patrol.
No problem.
You're welcome.
Rescue Knights ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Claw and his flying dragon are heading our way, so we have to try and keep them away from the castle.
But Ryder, how can we stop a flying, fire-breathing dragon?
With your new Rescue Knight vehicle.
Whoa!
Cool!
So for this mission I'll need Marshall. I'll need you to use your water lance to put out any fires that the dragon starts.
This knight is fired up to make things right!
All right, Rescue Knights are on a roll.
Now, to melt a hole in the drawbridge and storm the castle!
upside down!
Chase! Now!
Dragon net!
I'm good! But the enchanted dragon's tooth is broken!
Marshall, that's good. Now Claw can't use it to control the dragon. Look!
Sparks, wait! On behalf of Barkingburg, I thank you all for saving the kingdom.
Whenever a dragon gets a little too fiery, just yelp for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Thanks for hurrying, pups. The turbots are trapped somewhere in the jungle.
Oh no!
They tried to call, but their phone cut out. That's why we have to find them. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to search for them from the air. Captain Turbot said beneath, so they may need to be dug out of where they are. Rubble, I need you to use your rig. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Ryder, I found something! There's a truck outside the temple!
Great, that's got to be the turbots. We're on our way.
Escucha, listen. That's the noise we heard on the phone. It's coming from inside the temple.
That noise does not sound good. Let's find the turbots, quick. I think the turbots are on the other side of this wall.
But how will we get through it?
This part of the wall looks like a door.
I can use my shovel to pry it open.
Oh, is that really you, Ryder?
Yes, hold on. We're almost there.
Yes, we are saved!
That should do it.
All right, everybody, push. Yes, we're in.
We're saved! So happy to see you!
Shh! That's the scary sound? Big hairy?
More like big noisy.
He fell in through the roof. Then he was smashing things all over.
Let's get you out before he wakes up. We don't want to startle him.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for a picture-perfect rescue.
You're welcome. Whenever you're trapped in an ancient temple with a giant monkey, just yell for help.
Rescue Knight's ready for action. Sir, Ryder, sir. Claw and Sparks wrecked the bridge, and now the royal carriage can't get back to the castle. So for this mission, I'll need Rocky.
Green means go.
And Rubble. Rubble on the double. I'm gonna need the rest of you pups too.
Sweet! Let's do this!
Let's go!
All right, Rescue Knights are on a roll. Okay, we've got to fix this bridge first. Rubble on the double. And Rocky, let's get those broken bridge pieces out of the water.
Coming up.
Bone of Excalibur will be mine. You can't protect it by yourself, Chase. Rough pincers. It worked. It worked.
Chase, are you all okay?
We're fine, Ryder. Princess, now that Claw has the bone of Excalibur, he's the Royal Knight now, unless I can stop him.
Okay, Sir Chase. Okay, Pincers, place the bone gently down in the bucket and...
No! Ryder, the bone was a fake. Oh, Sparks, wanna play fetch? Ruff, bowler launcher.
Ah!
Ruff, dragon net. Gotcha!
Rescue Knights, thank you. You saved the day.
Whenever your bridge is broken, just yell for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Thanks for racing over, pups. Al, Yumi and Bettina were on their way home when they got stuck at the top of the drawbridge. And now the bridge is jammed. Chase, I need you to use your winch to keep the truck from slipping and falling into the river. Marshall, I'll need you to use your ladder to attach it to Farmer Al's truck. And Rocky, I need you to use your tools to fix the bridge. Paw Patrol is on a roll! That was quick, Rocky. This gear looks like it's the right size.
But it doesn't have the right number of teeth. Looks good. Chase, tighten that winch a little. Right size, right number of teeth. Spanner.
How much longer, Rocky?
I still need a few minutes.
I'm calling for backup. Sky, I need you to airlift Bettina.
This puppy's got to fly!
Chase, we need your net to cushion Bettina's landing.
But she's landing on the other side of the bridge.
Rocky, you operate the winch. Chase and I'll take over on my ATV.
Careful, Ryder. There's still a big gap in the bridge. Rough net!
Rocky, help our morale down by retracting the winch and backing up at the same time.
No problem, Ryder.
Thanks for getting us down off that bridge, Paw Patrol.
No problem. Whenever you're in trouble, just move for help.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. The entrance to the greenhouse is blocked, and now Mayor Goodway, Chickaletta, and Mayor Humdinger are trapped inside. So for this mission, I'll need Rocky.
Green means go.
And Everest.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. All right, Everest, let's clear the entrance first.
Time for the snow to go!
Great work, Everest. And now we just have to fix this door.
No problem.
Oh, it's far too hot in here.
If you're so warm, then take off your coat.
I'll just put on the air conditioner.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why won't you get colder?
Be careful. You might break it.
Yes, we're in. Now let's get the mares out.
Oh, my.
What's going on in there?
Paw Patrol.
Are you okay? It's so cold in here.
Yeah, what happened to the heat?
Mayor Humdinger broke the thermoscreen.
If it's too cold in here, these plants could die.
We'd better fix it.
Meanwhile, Chickaletta and I are going outside in the snow to warm up.
Wow, this is broken, all right. Do you think you could fix it, Rocky?
No problem. Screwdriver. I got it fixed.
Temperature system on.
Great job, Rocky. Those plants should be nice and warm in no time.
I now declare this greenhouse open.
Thanks for saving the greenhouse, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever your greenhouse gets the chills, just yell fail.
Hey, Marshall, who are your new pup pals?
They're twins, Ryder. Isn't that cool?
I'm Ella.
I'm Chuck, and we're looking for the Ladybird.
The Ladybird?
I'm the most super-looking, super baddie this town has ever seen.
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
A strange bird lady lifted our clean car into the sky and then she bumped into our beautiful bridge.
Ladybird!
It looks like it's going to fall down.
We're on it, Mayor Goodway. Mighty pups are on a roll.
Oh, look, Chickaletta. Mighty Sky is here to save us.
Ryder, Mayor Goodway and Chickaletta are trapped inside Ladybird's nest.
We need to figure out a way in, but all the mighty pups are busy. I think I know a couple of pups who can help.
Us? Time to think big.
Great job, Mighty Ella. Rubble, take tack across to save Mayor Goodway.
You've got it, Ryder.
These lasers are big trouble.
I'm gonna go through them.
I did it! I'm going in.
that's a super rescue. Thank you, Mighty Pups. Thanks again, Ryder and the Mighty Pups. You saved me, Chickaletta, and Adventure Bay from the Bird Lady.
No problem. But we couldn't have done it without the Mighty Twins.
Back in the day, whenever there was a full moon, people got real careful about going outside, because that's when it could come creeping, and a peeping, and a prowling, and a howling. They call it the Wild Were-Puppy!
Green means go to sleep. Whoa! I'm really going fast. I wish my friends could see me do this. Oh, but I might scare them. Ew, it smells like skunk. That's the first time a skunk's ever been scared of me. Hey, wait, don't be scared. Whoa! I can really jump far. Being a werepuppy is kind of fun. Huh? Is someone there? Go away, bear, or... Huh? It's just me, Rocky, the werepuppy.
The werepuppy?
Sounds like somebody had a pretty exciting dream.
But you sure put a scare in that bear and saved our marshmallows. Thanks.
Huh, I did. Well, if you're ever in trouble, just howl for help.
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir.
Great! Because we've got a snow emergency rescue on Sunny Slope Island.
Snow on the tropical island.
Yes, Mr. Porter and Alex are snowed in up on the mountain. We've got to find them and get them down. Robodog, pick up Everest Snowcat and head for Sunny Slope Island.
Nice snowshoes you made, Grandpa. What are we gonna play?
A game called Hike Down to the Beach. It's a big open space. The Paw Patrol is sure to find us there.
All right, me first. Look, Grandpa, I'm skiing.
Careful, Alex. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See you later, alligator. Alex, we need to slow down.
I don't think I can, but it's fun.
Uh-oh, we're heading for a cliff.
Goggle vision! Ryder, I can see Alex and Mr. Porter going down the mountain. But it looks like they're sliding right towards a big cliff.
Everest, take your snowcat to the base of that cliff and make a big snow cushion. Fast!
No props. It's nice and soft and just in time. Yay! Alex, Mr. Porter, are you okay?
Phew.
That's fun. Can we do it again? Let's get you two onto the air patroller where it's nice and warm. This is the best frozen camping trip ever.
Thanks to you and the Paw Patrol, Ryder.
You're welcome. Whenever you have strange weather, just yell for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Great, because we've got a dino rescue on our paws. A pterodactyl named Maverick crashed onto a ledge, and now his wing is pinned under some boulders.
Aww.
Poor guy. So for this mission, I'll need Rex.
Let's dino do this.
And Chase.
Chase is on the case.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Perfect timing, Pups.
Okay, Rex, you know what to do.
Dino Claw!
Great work, Rex.
Yay.
Chase, you're next.
Zip line.
Zipline looks good, Chase.
One zip line harness coming up.
You go first. I'll be right behind you. Roar, 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 roar.
Way to go, Maverick!
Yeah, woo!
His wing looks pretty sore.
My mum can help. She can fix anything from flippers to flappers.
Oh. His wing just needs a little support until it heals. I believe I have a brace around here somewhere. Ha! Found it! Can I get a little help, Rocky?
I'm your pup, Dr. Turbot.
It's working! It's working!
Oh, it looks like Maverick's got his confidence back.
Thanks for the sensational save, Paw Patrol. Whenever your pterodactyl's in trouble, just yelp for help. Welcome to the Adventure Bay windsurfing race. The winner gets this awesome trophy. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa! The wind picked up. Maybe a little too much.
Look out! All right, now this is more like it!
Stay close, Chickaletta. Ooh.
Incoming! Yes!
That strange extra strong wind came out of nowhere. What is going on out there?
Help! Oh, we've got to help them. No wind is too strong, no pup is too small.
Zuma, I'm really happy to see you.
Hi, Katie. Hold on and I'll undizzy you. Life boy!
Woo! Thanks, Zuma.
Paw Patrol! Oh, thank goodness you're here.
Hi, Megadray. We're here to help.
Hang on tight, May Goodway.
Ryder, Rocky, thank you for saving me and my widget Chooky Wookie.
Look at me! I'm roof surfing!
Steady, steady, now!
Whoa!
Oh no! Gotcha!
Thank you!
Amazing flying, Sky.
This is the wildest wind I've ever witnessed.
I wonder where it's coming from.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Robodog, follow the signal to Big Rock Canyon. That's where Mr. Wingnut is being chased by wolves.
Big Rock Canyon is where that big storm is heading.
There's a lot of rocks in those canyons, so I'll need rubble. Rubble on the double! And Marshall, since you're great at speaking to animals, I'll need you to tell those wolves to stay away from Mr. Wingnut.
I'm ready for a rough rescue.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Marshall, head southeast into the canyon. That's where Mr. Wingnut is, and the wolves.
I'll tell them to go away, like this.
Oh no! Sounds like another wolf! Phew!
Great job, Marshall. I'll go and rescue Mr. Wingnut. Ryder, got a problem.
We've got another problem, Ryder. That thunderstorm we were trying to stay away from, it's almost here.
Got to get Mr. Wingnut out of there before the canyon floods. Marshall, lead your new pack onto the Paw Patroller. Rubble, try to move that boulder out of the way. Robodog, get us out of the canyon.
What are wolves doing here?
Don't worry, we're all friends.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Something very strange has happened to Mayor Goodway's glow-in-the-dark party. Her guests are floating in bubbles. And now it's up to us to help everyone safely down. So for this mission, I'll need Spy Chase.
Spy Chase is on the case.
And Marshall.
I'm fired up!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Oh, look! It's the space...
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, thank goodness you're here. My guests are floating away. How am I supposed to serve them punch?
Whee! I'll go and get Alex. Ruff! Ladder! Ruff! Water cannons!
Look, there's Casey and Callie.
I'm on it! Ruff! Wall walkers! Ruff! Zip line! Hang on, Casey! I'll take you down!
Stop!
It's just us, your friends.
Don't worry, we just look different because we're dressed up for the glow-in-the-dark party. Great party, Mayor Goodway.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for saving the party and all of our glow guests.
You're welcome. And if your guests ever float away, just yell for help.
Sea Patrol, ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir!
Francois and Captain Turbot are in deep trouble in deep waters.
Whoa! Whales are usually mellow. I've never seen one do that before.
Me neither, Zuma. Something must be bothering it. But first we have to help the turbots. So for this mission I'll need... Zuma. Use your sub to distract the whale away from the diving bell. And Rubble. Use your rig to turn the diving bell the right side up.
Hooray! Help is here! And the whale is here too.
Zuma, see if you can get that whale to move.
Hey, whale, ever play tag? Bet you can't catch me, whale!
Okay, Rubble.
Oh, thanks, Rubble. We're back in business. Now let's go.
Hey, where did the whale go? There you are. What are you doing? Ryder, something's wrong with Wheelie. He won't stop rubbing his mouth.
See if you can get a closer look.
Ryder, I see it now. There's something caught between his teeth.
Rocky, let's go help Zuma clean those big teeth.
Aww, poor whale must have a monster toothache.
This whale could use a little brushing and flossing.
I got this, Ryder.
Your buoy rope! Great idea!
Open wide, whale!
We did it! Great job, pups! And whenever you have mouth trouble, just yell for help. And that's the two. Hi, Everest. What's going on?
Ryder, Miss Marjorie and Maynard are trapped in the bookmobile and it's rolling out of control down Mountain View Road.
We're on our way. No bookmobile is too fast, no pup is too small. Chase, get ahead of the bookmobile and clear the road.
That was close.
Hi, Ryder. Am I glad to see you?
Pull in close, then launch your grapple.
Grapple!
Sky, now, move in.
Sounds like someone's making tea. What's going on? We're moving.
Miss Marjorie, buckle into the harness.
Maynard!
We'll save Maynard and the books.
Thanks, Ryder.
Oh, no.
I'll get some more help. Rocky, Rubble, meet us up by Mountain View Road.
Ryder, there's a train coming fast.
Sky, use your hog to slow down the bookmobile.
Got it.
Autopilot. buckle up. The brakes aren't working. I'm trying the emergency brake. Huh? That's not good. Rocky, Rubble, I need a raft.
Oh, I think those steel girders would work. Hurry! The train's almost here!
We did it!
Once we finish blowing up those balloons, we'll be all ready for the feast. Why? Oh, knock down the food.
Look, Auntie Mare, a flying turkey!
What? Time to call the PAW Patrol.
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, Chickaletta is very upset. The bouncy turkey's flown away.
Flown away? I can see it, and something else too. It's one of Humdinger's kittens. We're on it. No bouncy turkey is too high, no pup is too small.
Ryder, I'm closing in on the turkey.
Super! We're right behind you, Sky.
Ryder, there's a ring at the bottom of the bouncy turkey. I can grab it with my hook and take the turkey back to the ground.
Great! We'll save the kitten first, then the bouncy turkey. Chase, deploy your net.
Ruff, ruff, net!
Ryder, look!
Don't use your hook yet, Sky. There's still more kittens.
Now to catch that floating turkey. Ah, ha! Got it!
Nice job, Sky.
Okay, let's go. We don't want to be late for dinner.
Ryder, I want to thank you for, rescuing my kitties.
You're welcome. Whenever you're floating away in a giant turkey, just yelp for help.
Pizza dough on the go! Pizza high, watch it fly!
Now for some sauce.
And lots of cheese, if you please.
Now it's ready to bake.
Hot pizza coming through.
Mmm, it smells pizza-licious. I could just gobble up a slice.
We can't eat these pizzas yet. We need to make the world's tallest pizza tower. So we can get our picture in the record book. See?
Pizza tower? I'm going to win that trophy, right, kittens?
I'm so excited. The judge will be here any minute, and he'll be so thrilled to see our pizza tower.
Did someone say pizza? As in the world's tallest and most magnificent pizza tower?
But I thought we were going to break the record and win the trophy.
We will. The record will belong to Adventure Bay.
Don't count on it, Bear Goodway, because Foggy Bottom is in it to win it.
Everyone, clear the way for the Adventure Bay Tower of Pizza!
Oh, I'm stuck. But now I'm moving.
Ryder, please help the judge.
Not liking help me.
Sky, use your harness to carry the judge to safety.
Now that's a record-breaking rescue.
That's it.
And that is the world's tallest pizza tower.
Sea Patrol, ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir? We need to clear the fish away from an underwater volcano that's about to erupt near Lava Ledge Island.
Oh no! Miss Marjorie and Maynard are on their way right now to visit an old friend, Harrigan Alki.
Then this just became a bigger rescue, so we'll need Marshall. Use your speedboat to find Miss Marjorie and Harrigan and warn them about the volcano.
Ruff, I'm fired up!
All right, Sea Patrol is on a roll.
Aloha, puppy.
Hi!
Maynard, is that you?
Hello, Harrigan.
Marjorie!
Maynard, no, dear, stop!
Marjorie, I'll meet you on the other side of the island.
Ryder, we have a raccoon on the run.
Aloha! Are you friends with Marjorie and Marshall? They need Kokoa! Help!
Oh no! The island's volcano is erupting!
Marshall, help me with this palm tree!
What are they doing?
They're going surfing!
Hang on, Marshall! We're going to catch some air!
Hooray! Yeah!
Yay! Awesome!
Thanks for coming to the rescue, Ryder.
Mahalo for your help!
Just remember, whenever a reunion is ruined by a rumbling volcano, just yelp for Kokua!
Welcome to the Adventure Bay Bird Spotting Contest.
I'm going to stealthily sneak up on amazing avians, then click my camera.
Ready, set, spot!
A blue-bellied roller! Ah, a nest. A photo of the fledglings would certainly be a find. Aha! I have a much better idea of how to win this contest. Whoa! I'd better call the Paw Patrol. I'm perched up here, Paw Patrol!
We'll get you down and back to your bird spotting contest in no time.
Ladder! Okay, Captain Turbot, climb down.
My toes can't touch the top.
I'll help you. I'm good. Mama Bird's good too.
Ah, the nest!
We'll take care of it, Captain. Come on down. Rocky, we'll need you to find something that can be a new nest for the birds.
Don't lose it, reuse it. It's okay, little birdies. I have a nice, comfy new nest for you.
Great work, Rocky. Now we just need to move the nest to a safer spot. There's one.
Hang on, Rocky.
There you go, little birdies. Hope you like your new home.
I believe that's blue-bellied roller for thank you.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
The Rough Pack is stuck on Twisty Top Mesa along with Mayor Goodway's tour bus, which means the mayor and the tourists are stranded. Ah! So for this mission, I'll deputise Wildcats.
Blossom, I'm ready for a wild ride.
And Rubble. Rubble on the Moto Double. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Oh, Ryder, I'm so glad you're here.
We're here to help, Mayor. Rubble, start clearing the trail. No probs, Ryder.
Wham! Super speed boosters. Yarn launcher!
Ooh, a tightrope. I've always wanted to walk on a tightrope. I don't need any do-gooder pups to rescue me, especially a cat.
Hubcap, it's safer if...
The Rough Pack doesn't do safe.
Wildcat, we've got to get control of that bus. Rubble's trying to clear the wall of rocks at the bottom in time.
Disengage gripper pulls! There goes another bike! Get ready!
Hurry, Rubble.
I have an idea.
A ramp! Rubble made a ramp!
Right. Moto Pups, thank you for saving the day.
Anytime your bus gets jumped by bikers, just yell for help. Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mr. Porter's fruit stand rolled out into the middle of traffic. And now he's stuck inside of it.
But it's a roadside stand, not a middle-of-the-road stand.
Exactly. So for this mission, I'll need... Chase. I need you to use your megaphone and cones to redirect the cars so we can rescue Mr. Porter.
Chase is on the case.
And Rubble. I need you to use your rig to place the stand back in place.
Rubble on the double.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Over here, Ryder!
Be right there, Mr. Porter. Chase.
On it. Traffic cones. Megaphone. Please follow the cones and drive this way.
Phew! Thanks, Ryder.
No problem, Mr. Porter. Ready, Rubble?
Ready. Better pick these up before the cars turn them into applesauce. Applesauce.
Go and have a great holiday.
Okay, bye. Are you sure this is the right way? I can't see anything in this fog.
This hotel is going to be first class. Garby made the reservations himself online. There's the beach. I knew we were going the right way. Look, it's got a lounge chair and everything.
But where's the hotel?
That must be it right over there.
I guess this place isn't so bad. Oh, look at that!
Look at these fancy top hats. They must be for the guests to wear.
Kitties, here's your tuna. What's this? Intruders sneaking into my secret lair? They won't get away with this. In fact, they won't get away at all. Time for lair lockdown.
What's that rumble?
Maybe we're near the airport.
Ha! Take that, intruders. You're trapped. Along with my kitties. Ah, my kitties!
Hi, Mayor. Humdinger?
Hi, Ryder. I bravely trapped some intruders in my lair with a big boulder, but my kitties got themselves trapped inside too.
We'll be right over. Hi, Mayor Humdinger. Is that the boulder right there?
Yes, and hurry. If anything happens to my kitties, I don't know what I'll do.
One boulder on the move.
Oh, thank goodness. Did those big bad intruders scare you?
Who are the intruders?
Oh, hi, Ryder. Did you all book this hotel too? Wowee, what are the odds?
My turn, my turn!
That's the pet pad ringing. Someone might need help.
Oh, right.
Ryder. Or not Ryder.
I know. I'm pup sitting for Ryder, Mayor Goodway. Don't worry. The Paw Patrol will be right there to help. All pups to the tower.
Actually, Ryder says, Paw Patrol to the lookout.
Got it. Paw Patrol to the lookout.
Ryder needs us. I mean, Katie. Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. I mean, Katie. Sir, ma'am?
Thanks, pups. So, what does Ryder do next?
Ryder tells us which pup he needs and what they're going to do.
Okay. To rescue Mr. Postman, I'll need... Marshall! You'll use your fire truck ladder to help him down from the tree.
I'm fired up.
And Sky, I'll need you to use your copter to airlift Mayor Goodway and Chickaletta safely to the ground.
Oh, let's take to the sky!
The Paw Patrol is ready to go.
I think you mean Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Yes, that! Don't worry, Mr. Postman. Marshall will get you down.
Right. Rush.
ladder! Let's get you down, Mr. Postman.
I'll have you and Chickalata down in a sec, Megaway. Ah, harness!
Got it! Thanks so much, Sky!
You're all good pups.
So, how'd it go today?
Katie did a awesome job, Ryder.
I knew she would.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mayor Goodway, Chickaletta, the Turbots, and Danny
That's staring Danny X.
have fallen into a canyon high up in the mountains. Sky, I need you to fly the ultimate copter and lead the Sky Pups on this mission.
Yes! This ultimate puppy's got to fly!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Rocky, use your claw to free Danny from his glider. Rebel, parachute down to the turbot and I'll lower the cable.
Nice parachute.
Claw.
Yay!
Hi there. Next stop, the ultimate copter.
Woohoo! This is so extreme!
Oh no! My raft's moving!
Sky! Mayor Goodway's raft is slipping.
Marshall, Zuma, I need you to pull the mare onto the platform.
I'm slipping!
Boy!
Got it!
Nice work, Pups.
Oh, what nice smiles! And what a spectacular view!
Thanks to Sky and the pups.
Whenever your climb turns into a tumble, just yelp for help.
Look, I'm a Viking! Ha ha ha! I can't see! Oh no! Look at this mess! We'd better clean it up, Mini Patrol! Hey, where's Turtle? Oh, there he is! Turtle, stop! Come on, team! Turtle's moving really fast! We don't want him to get lost! Mini Patrol is on a roll! I'm pretty sure Turtle went somewhere over there! Huh? This isn't Turtle. It's that ball from the museum. I didn't know it could walk. Aw, it's a little mouse. That means Turtle could still be at the museum. Where is the museum? Alex! Alex!
Oh, it's time to call the Paw Patrol.
Do you see anything, Chase?
Not yet, Ryder.
Try using your light. Maybe Alex will see it.
Rough! Flashlight!
Alex!
Guys, someone's looking for us. I think it's the Paw Patrol. We're over here.
Chase, shine your light that way.
Ah, they can't see us, but I bet they'll see this. We're over here.
That's Alex! We found them!
Let's go!
Sorry I left without telling anyone, Ryder. I promise I won't go out at night all by myself ever again.
What's that sound?
I don't know.
Oh, there's my drone! Huh? This controller's still not working right. I'll just turn up the signal and... Whoa!
You did it!
Yes, I did! Woohoo! Wow!
No!
A snowcat! Stop!
It's driving on its own! Runaway snowcat!
This remote is working great now.
Wait!
There goes Everest's ride, but where's Everest?
We're right here.
And really tired. Oh.
What about my AV, Jake? Jump in, Everest.
Thanks.
Come on, everybody! After that snowcat! Rubble! Head off the snowcat and use your leaf badge as bumpers. Got it, Ryder.
Thanks for the lift, Rubble.
No problem. Not so fast, snowcat. Great job, Rubble.
Really sorry for all the mess me and my drone caused.
That's okay. Whenever your controller is out of control, just yell for help.
Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on